Sabi ni Francis, sambunutan daw kita.
Bakit?
Ewan ko.
Kasi pinagsuot kita ng boots.
Sabi niya.
Sabi ni Francis
Oo, sabi niya, sambunutan mo si Ryan.
Gusto mo makipag-away tayo doon?
Hindi, okay lang. Tinatanggap ko naman yung kanilang desisyon. It's okay. Kailangan tanggapin yung katotohanan.
Mabuti pa tong... Dito sa wall na to, maraming mga idol sa kanilang mga fields. Sa Philippine Idol kaya, sino ang kauna-unahang idol ng mga Pinoy?
Julito,
Alquizar.
anong nickname mo?
Tolits Oleto po.
Tolits, one song, one chance. Galingan mo, ha?
Apa.
Good luck.
Nothing's gonna change the things that you said, and nothing's gonna make this right again. Please don't turn you back, I can't believe it's hard just to talk to you, but you don't understand.
Tolits,
Pasado po ako.
anong kanta mo? Perfect, no?
Apa.
Pero parang imperfect sa akin, eh.
Tolis, hindi ka pa ready for Philippine Idol.
Ay, reading na po. Pinibigay ko po lahat. Bitter po ako sa iba.
Palagay mo, ikaw, Philippine Idol ka?
Ay, po. Kasi pag sinabi Philippine Idol, andun na yung looks, andun yung personality.
Nandun yung personality mo.
Andun na po.
Nandun yung look.
Andun na din.
Nandun din yung boses mo.
Andun na po.
Okay.
Wala naman ang diction niya.
Tolits, saksakan ng pangit yung pagkanta mo, eh.
O, yun ang sinasabi ko,
Hindi
eh.
maganda ang
Sana
pag-awit mo,
ibang...
eh. Paano ngayon? Sabi ni Mr. C, no. Eh ako, sabi ko, no rin. Mamita.
Miski mag-yes ako dong. Wa
Sige
naman,
na po,
kay no
sir.
naman silang duha ka buok.
Sige na po, kailangan ko talaga kasi hindi po kasi naaral yung kapatid
Tolits,
ko.
pass muna kami. Tolits, thank you.
Baka pwede po akong sayaw dito.
Hindi, okay na.
Sige na, sir.
Kasi
Sasayaw na lang po ako dito. Kahit
wala naman, hindi naman sasayaw ang
Kahit na
contest.
po.
Next time, 19. Pwede ka pa dong.
sayang kasi yung moment na nandito na sana. Kaya lang hindi ako binigyan ng chance para makuha. Napaka-importante kasi na bagay sa akin to.
Iba naman ang naging karanasan ni Joseph.
My name is Joseph John Temporal. I am a third-year Mass Comm student of the Holy Cross of Davao College. Financially, nagka-problema kami sa family namin because we're a broken family and then yung mother ko na lang yung nagsusustento sa akin. So, ayun, siguro napag-isipan ko na mag-stop muna kasi syempre naawa rin ako sa mother ko. Kumakanta ako pag may mga contact sa mga talent scout. Yung TF, syempre, binabayad ko sa tuition ko. Itong Philippine Idol, siguro ito yung pinakamalaking stepping stone ko na gagawin sa buhay ko. Ito yung make or break ng mga pangarap ko.
When I say always, I mean forever. And I trust tomorrow as much as today. And I am not afraid to say I love you. And I promised you I'll never say goodbye.
Ganda. The voice is nice, but it takes more to be part of Philippine Idol. No for me.
I like him.
I like when you know when to make your voice loud and when you know when to soften it. I'd like to see you go to the second round.
Congratulations.
I'll be seeing you in Manila.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Joseph.
Thank you.
See you there.
Susunod na ang Family Feud ng Philippine Idol.
Younger siya.
Kuya ko siya.
Wish ko sana
makapasok kaming dalawa.
kapatid ko or sana pareho
Kami dalawa.
Pero kung makapasok yung brother ko, panalo na rin ako.
Hindi ako same time.
I hope and pray. Sana naman makapasok ka.
Salamat, kuya.
Okay, you can do it. I hope.
Palapit na ng palapit ang katapusan ng auditions. Kaya naman minabuti naming tutukan ang mga auditionee na talagang sinundan ang Philippine Idol kahit saan man kami magpunta. Si Jigfred, unang nag-audition sa PICC.
Galing na ako sa Manila auditions. Dito ako sa Cebu ngayon. And I will give my best shot. Take it slow. This time I'll take it slow.
Thank you, Jigfred.
Do you think you can be an idol? Do you think people will buy your albums, take pictures beside you?
What makes you think ikaw ay talagang idol, Philippine Idol ng bayan?
I got the talent.
I think otherwise.
Is it a no?
No?
Is it a no?
It's a no.
Jigfred, from me, it's also a no. I'm very sorry.
It's really a long journey to meet you guys.
Wow.
Well,
I hope
I'm
it's a
glad-
nice meeting.
Yeah, you're here and we're going to listen to you.
Okay.
Okay, Jigfred, marinig.
You said you don't love me, but I know that you're a liar. 'Cause when we kiss, ooh, fire. Woo!
Hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. Mamita.
Even though you have been very, very loyal and following ka lahat sa mga auditions natin, no? Yeah. Pero, para sa akin, kulang pa doon. Kulang pa ng konti.
Francis.
Wala na.
Wala na.
2-0 na eh. Boundary na.
Pero salamat. And
Salamat. Thank you.
I give you a big
Salamat.
hand for trying all the time.
All right, Jake. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't know what to say. That's an example of perseverance.
Hopefully, baka next season, I'll try.
There's no harm in trying.
At si Richie, isa pang biyahero from Manila, ay dumayo rin sa Davao.
You're a teacher?
Yeah,
Of what?
I'm a teacher in professional education.
Sige, Richie, what are you going to sing for us?
I'd like to sing you the theme song of Hercules. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile would be worth a while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Oh.
You have a nice personality. I like the voice. It's okay.
Thank you.
I think you have mastery over your vocals. I think you can improve.
It's a yes for me.
Congratulations! You can get your gold card.
Here you go.
Kung sa bagay, pag idol material, kahit saan, susulpot yan. Kagabi lang, may nakilala akong aspiring idol sa isang bar dito sa Davao.
Ambos na ito. Hello.
CJ.
CJ. Hi. Good evening, everyone. As you all know, yung Philippine Idol, naghahanap po kami ngayon ng mga magiging contestant. We're here now in Davao para po maghanap ng mga auditionees. CJ, hayaan sana kita mag-audition bukas eh. Do you think, CJ, kakayanin mo mag-audition para sa Philippine Idol?
Kakayanin ko.
Alright, do you guys think CJ has what it takes to be the first Philippine Idol? Of course! Sa tingin nyo ba, kaya na maging Philippine Idol?
Oh, bilib na ba kayo sa powers ko? Later on, biglang bumuhos ang malakas na ulan dito sa Davao. Pero may mas matindi pa ang impact kaysa sa kulog at kidlat.
Why do